I'm excited to show you how easy it is to use our latest product, DSO Genie AI, for automatically generating infrastructure as code. Let's get started. Step 1. Login. Log in to your DSO Genie AI account using your credentials to access the platform. Step 2. Get started on the Services page. Click Get Started on the Services page to begin creating your IAC modules. Step 3. Select Provider. Choose your cloud provider from the available list. Step 4. Select Version. Select the version of the service or API you want to use. Step 5. Select Resource. Pick the resource you accordingly. Step 6. Submit Wish. Click Submit Wish to generate the infrastructure as code configuration. Step 7. Download zip. Download your IAC files by clicking Download Zip. That's it! With DSO Genie AI, generating IAC is quick. Once your IAC configuration is ready, the next step is to set up your local environment. Step 1. Unzip the file. Start by unzipping the downloaded file to extract the Terraform configuration files. Step 2. Open in Visual Studio Code. Open the extracted folder in your code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Step 3. Create the terraform.tfvars file. Now, create a new file named terraform.tfvars. This file will store the variable values needed for your configuration. Step 4. Fill in the required variables. Fill in all the required variables with the specific values for your setup. Make sure to double-check these for accuracy. Step 5. Save the file and open the terminal. Save the terraform.tfvars file and open the terminal window in Visual Studio Code. Step 6. Run Terraform commands. Let's run the Terraform commands to set up your infrastructure. Start with Terraform init to initialize your working directory. Next, run Terraform plan to preview the changes Terraform will make. Finally, execute Terraform apply to apply those changes and deploy your infrastructure. Step 7. Check your Cloud Console. Once the commands are successfully executed, head over to your cloud provider's console to verify that your infrastructure is deployed and running.